Can you change your Chromebook password? Well, the answer is no, you cannot, because there's no such a thing as Chromebook password. The only thing or the only password that you can change is your Google account password that is signed in to your Chromebook device. So if you're changing your Google account password, like the thing like Gmail, YouTube, and Google Photos, etc. If you change your Google account password, then the password will be reflected on all services and platforms that you are using the Google account. So again, there is no way you can change the Chromebook password, because that doesn't exist, but you can change the Google account password. And here's how you can change that. So first you have to open the launcher menu and then open Google Chrome. And after that, you want to navigate to myaccount.google.com, hit enter. And this is going to be the page where we can access a lot of settings about our Google account. But of course, here we want to just change the password. After that, navigate to personal info. And you want to scroll down to the very bottom, because we want to access the setting menu. The password setting option. Here you can change the password. You can click on the password. And of course, you have to enter your password first before you can change the password. That totally makes sense. Now I have entered my password. I'm going to click next. And just wait until, okay, now we can see the page where we can change the password. So here I have to enter a new password, and I'm going to generate a new password for me. By the way, you have to make sure that your password is at least 8 characters, and make sure it is not obvious. You don't want to use the same password for a different website. And you can actually use a service like LastPass that allows you to generate password and also store your password safely. And it's just a good practice to use a different password for different websites. So that's my recommendation. I actually have a password I have prepared, so I'm going to use that password, and I'm going to just paste it right here. I'm going to paste the confirmation, and after that you can click change password. Your password was changed, and that's about it. So when you want to log into your Chromebook device, you can use the new password of your Google account that you just changed. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help the channel out. And I'll see you on the next video.